Alright, what is going on, you guys? It is your boy Hype, and I'm back with another one. So as you can see, engine bay is one color. Laid epoxy, laid primer. Probably about to sand it down because there's some spots that are a little rougher than others, and I don't really like that. So we'll get that up out the way. Then after that, I'll finally lay my first coat of the black base that's gonna go on the engine bay. We already laid black along all of this. Kind of got messed up with that primer, so probably gonna do is take some acetone and wipe all this down, and it should be good. But y'all know y'all going on a time lapse, so hopefully y'all enjoy that we finally adding color to the engine bay. Drop a like, sub, comment. I appreciate y'all. Let's get to it.
Yeah. Urban legend in the building. From the struggle to the shine, we still grind. All day, every day. We get money all day, every day. From the nights we was broke in the hallway. Now the whole crew shining like Broadway, but the hood still calling my name. We get money all day, every day. Through the storms and the struggle we stay. From the bottom we fought our way. Urban legend we made our way. Growing up where the sirens cry, corner store lights under midnight skies. Mama praying while the bills pile high. Young kings just trying to survive. We was raised where the pressure lived, where the struggle turned boys to men. Had to hustle just to pay the rent. Now the whole team stacking dividends. Every day we was chasing dreams, dodging trouble and crooked schemes. Now the same boys from the broken scenes, turning hustle into major green. Get money all day, every day. From the nights we was broke in the hallway. Now the whole crew shining like Broadway, but the hood still calling my name. We get money all day, every day. Through the storms and the struggle we stay. From the bottom we fought our way. Urban legend we made our way. I remember sleeping on the floor. Cold nights, hearing mama pray some more. Said one day my son gon' open doors. Now we pulling up in something foreign. Still got love for the place we from, even when the streets felt cold and numb. Every loss only made us strong. Now the whole hood singing our song. Money coming but the pain remains. Still remember every drop of rain, but the sunshine came with the grind. Now success got our name in line. Let me talk my truth. Came from nothing but the concrete roots. Seen pain turn boys to wolves. Had to learn how to play it cool. Yeah, every dollar got a memory. Every scar got a story too. But the grind built the legacy. Not a whole crew living proof. I tell the young ones, stay focused. Dream bigger than a block, you know. Cause the same street that broke your soul can be the place you're. Still calling my name. We get money all day, every day. Through the storms and the trouble we stay. From the bottom we fall.
Hey boy, when I tell y'all this shit laid fine like wine, hey boy, that motherfucker laid fine like wine, bro. I'm not gonna officially show y'all the color until this dry, and then I lay clear coat over top of it. But yo, that motherfucker lay good as hell, boy. I'm trying to tell you, that's fire right there, boy. But let's see, can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Boy, do you see that? It's wet. It's wet, boy. Hey man, that just the color I wanted her too. She don't need no more coat. We gonna let that dry for the night. We're gonna come back in here tomorrow. We're gonna lay clear all over it. Then we're gonna let that clear settle. And then I'm trying to tell you, boy, we're gonna get on that rear end, boy. I'm attending somebody's ass. But, ooh, boy, that's a bad boy. All right, that's all for the night. All right, clean up in here, get right, not fall asleep in this mug, you feel me? So, gonna get cleaned up, get everything back where it need to be, and then I'll tap in with y'all tomorrow, which, of course, for y'all, will be a little snap. So, without further ado, here we go. All right, boys, so we took a little detour, you feel me? I forgot I got trash in here, but we got all this we need to get in here. And look who back. Look who back. Yeah, say what up.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, man back. So, whoops. Well, that'd be all right. So, everything that say QA1, we throwing in the truck. Everything like that right there, we ain't gonna put that in right now, 'cause I gotta move that after I move something else out. Yeah. Y'all know, yeah. You said what? QA1? Yeah, QA1 going in. Everything else, I'm gonna push over here and keep in this little corner. You know it. Come on now. Now that, like, yeah, that's staying over here. We're gonna put that where that tall box at though. I wouldn't stand it up if I was you right now, 'cause it's open and them axles will fall out. So I tell you what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this. All that bit. Hey, what you got on? Give me a shoe. You gotta kill that something big. You gotta kill that. Yeah. Bye. Yeah, all right, yeah. She gone. All right, back to the original plan. You see that? Now, boys, that's right there how you exterminate a motherfucking spider, okay? That's how you exterminate. Ew. Now, if you did stay this far into the video, right? I know y'all dying to see the color that the engine bay was painted, but I ain't gonna reveal it just yet. It's gonna be at the end. I gotta keep y'all here, man, you know? I forgot this big box heavy. And it's taller than the garage. You might have should have moved it down. You said what? No, you might have should have moved it down, bro. Just a little bit. You know what? Just a little bit, bro. Lift the bottom. Yeah, come up some more. Yeah, there you go. All right. Oh, but I might have to grade this out, but I'm gonna let you see it. You feel me? Cause you the only one that ain't seen it yet. Let me see. Hold on, y'all. We just gonna grade them out. I ain't gonna hold my hand up there. Yeah. That more hard, boy. Yeah.
Now imagine the sun on that.
Boy, that more hard, boy.
That's tough.
Boy, that more, yeah.
So with the gold rims?
Oh, you giving away the color? That's crazy.
Oh, yeah, bring it out, bro. Bring it out.
That with them, gonna go crazy.
That's tough.
Yeah, it's gonna go crazy.
That's tough.
Hey, look, full black inside though. Yeah, going crazy. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
These are the QA1 box?
Yeah, every last one of them. Oh, I didn't realize there's so many boxes. Boy, you might as well start a moving company, y'all. This shit here. I mean, it could not be, but if it ain't, they gonna get a unpleasant phone call from me today. What my boy Black Youngster say? Whore. I was about to say, who that creeping up? I don't know who that is. Just wave and smile. All right. All of this, we gonna push this way. Oh, without putting a staple in your hand. You just slide that right there. No, not by the spider. You right. Right there. All right. We got that little.
Well, I can't grab that box.
Oh, that's good. That's staying over there. That ain't going. I ain't taking that till I pull the other rear end out. Go grab them 2 packages on the steps. While you do that, I'm gonna move this trash up front. Yeah, they on it. Wait, Mom put them in the house. Oh, let me see here. Come with me, Hail Mary. Run and see. Ah! Yeah, I gotta run to the dump. I'm at take, plus I gotta take the boxes I opened today. But yeah, everything QA1. Boy, y'all see it, big motherfucking QA1, you know. Sorry if I sound a little different, you know, your boy not feeling too well. This pollen is murderous this year, I ain't gonna lie. And it's just getting started. She kinda got me worried. What we caught on? That ain't enough room for that door shut in. We about to see, hold on, let's see. Oh yeah, that's enough room, that's enough room. So, I'll touch base with y'all when we get back to the shop, you know. We got a few runs to make. Make sure the address not showing out. Can't have the address showing. They might try to pull up here and rob us. And then we got the late.
Yo, you know what happens if that happens.
We got.
You know what we gonna do.
Come on, blood. All right, we at the shop, but look, y'all hear that bad motherfucker come around the corner. Hey, look, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh, boy, that bitch sound good, cuz. What? Hey, that motherfucker sound good as hell. Hey, that bitch sound good. I ain't gonna hold you. That motherfucker sound good as hell. That bitch sound good. Alright, so they still don't know the color yet. My little brother done reacted to the color and then about told them the goddamn color. You seen a picture, but look at this bitch in person.
Yeah, that shit did not do it justice.
I told you that motherfucker is, that bitch wet. That motherfucker is wet.
Now I see what you were saying about you saying the blue.
Yeah, so it's like, if you look at it a certain way, that bitch look blue.
Yeah.
That motherfucker ain't fine. So you talking about that with them wheels? Nigga, whole car? I told y'all, this bitch finna go stupid. Alright, boys, so I'll let everybody react to the engine bay and how it turned out. Y'all seen my brothers, both of my brothers' reactions. Mine's personally, this motherfucker came out better than I ever could have imagined. I'm not gonna hold you. This is y'all's color reveal. It's a really deep, dark purple. As y'all saw, we laid epoxy, then we laid a high build primer over top of it. Then we sanded the high build primer down. Then I laid a black with a gold flake mixed in with it all over. And that was like my base coat. And then the top coat for it is this purple. And then I laid it. I'm not gonna tell y'all the color name. But yeah, it turned out fire. It's amazing. So I appreciate y'all for sticking around through this whole engine bay transformation. It turned out fire. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. But I ain't gonna hold you, even if you don't. I love it. So we're just gonna keep on moving and trucking right along. Next vid, we're gonna start working on getting the suspension in the car. Probably gonna work on the front suspension first so I can get a lot of these boxes out the way. And then I'll work on getting the rear end out the car, the current one. So that'll be our next dog fight. We gotta drop the rear end that's currently in the car. With that being said, while we do have to drop it, I also got to drop the fuel tank so we can go ahead and get that right, make sure that's all drained. I'm probably gonna clean up in here a little bit because my OCD has been killing me throughout this entire process of painting the engine bay. So probably gonna clean up a little bit and then I'll get started on that. But your next few vids will be about suspension work. We're gonna redo the front suspension, redo everything for the rear end, redo the rear suspension as well. As far as like this, I'm gonna paint this, but I'm not gonna paint it until I paint the entire car. And I am gonna do the entire car myself. It'll be a first for me. Also, so that Steal It brand, I ain't gonna hold you. I tried it because they said it was weldable. I got this spot right here, which was from nothing but tape being right there. And the Steal It set for 3 whole days before I put tape on it. And that still came off. Everything was scuffed. and this was scuffed a little worse. So like, I hit all of this with, you know, the grinder. Then I still hit it with 320 grit sandpaper, all over this, all over the front, all over that metal, like all over the whole thing. And I got a spot that's already out. So I'm gonna let y'all in on a little secret. I got brackets inside the car that I've already like abused, dropped, and scratched before putting them in the car. I use this right here. This shit right here is probably about, I think when I bought it originally, it was like $3. I think it may still be $3. It could have went up a little bit, but that's still it. I paid $89, I think, for a 3-pack of that shit. I paid like $30-something for a 6-pack of this, and I got 3 left. So I'm probably gonna be just using this from now on. Fuck that, steal it. I'll weld whatever I need to weld while it's bare metal, and then we'll go from there. But personally, I had a bad experience with it, so I'm not gonna spend my money on it anymore. But yeah, we going from there. We're gonna get the suspension right. I'm pull the rear end. That's where the next vid gonna start. So yeah, fuck with your boy. I appreciate y'all if y'all stuck around. Let me know what y'all think of the color before watching the video. If you drop the comment of what you think the color gonna be, hey, I appreciate you with the utmost. And yeah, let's get to it. Let's try to have this mug done by the summertime. That's the plan. I'm gonna try to make that happen. So y'all stay safe out here. Drop a like, drop a comment, sub, and y'all know the rest. With that being said, your boy Hype is out. Peace.